So I noticed the other day that I finally can put links on my YouTube channel. That was a very cool feature from YouTube where they disabled the links on my videos because reasons. And I legitimately have no idea why they did that. And yeah, Kelly Slater. Oh wow. Notice that I said Kelly Slater in the video. I was supposed to stream like moderation helps, okay, whatever. I was supposed to stream some minutes earlier, but I had to make some phone calls and stuff like that. Kind of annoying, man, sometimes. But yeah, random stuff happens, so let me just put some music. Maybe move this here. What was the last thing that I did? Oh yeah, it was fixing clear animation, but make time limited. Okay. A turret. Okay. So, how did the code look before? What? Oh no, I forgot to do the thing. Um, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this looks generic stuff. Okay. I need to fix the calling conventions for sure. So name PO time value. Okay. First of all, why did it took time to update? No idea. Let's go. So first of all, I think the best way to go about this. Come on, man. Let's do this. Come on. Oh, maybe I need to. Oh well. I need to do it one by one. So let's remove this, user purge. What? ECX is not allowed here. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, much better. So mm-hmm. Oh no, I'm in the wrong code base. Add time limited effect. Okay, this code looks fine. Looks exactly like what I would expect. So entity maker. Where is entity maker defined though? I think there's a file literally called entity maker. Yeah, there is. Okay. Nice. Okay, I'll just put it here, right? What? Maybe I'm missing something there. Think, so region node list. Okay, okay. So that's the reason why I'm force regions. Oh no, it's actually like that. So many errors. What the hell? Yeah, it looks fine. Oh, I don't think I saved it. Unresolved external symbol. What? Wait, what? There's another one? Create entity or subclass. But there's only one. What? Wait. And create entity or string X. Oh, wait, I'll need to check this one. So string X, that's fine. Entity ID, PO, string X, and sign int, class, and then... Wait, did I forget to add entity maker to source files? I don't think so. Entity maker. CP, Mr. CPP. Yeah, it already exists. What the heck? Oh, no, what? Looks fine. No? My... Am I missing something? Squeeze me. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Ah, C++. C++ is devious. I didn't save it. Redefinition of parameter 5. Name, ID, log, scene root, active. Okay, I don't need to put the default arguments there. Kind of strange. Okay, makes sense. Alrighty. let's go. Uh, 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 uh. Oh yeah, there's something very weird about this guy. I need to fix this. I can fix him. So remove this. This. In general, just remove a bunch of shit and it should work. Nice. Now it's time to make this call. This call. Nice. So Mr. Kelly Slaters, right? So is this. String X pointer. What's the name? Wait, entity name. Why every time I click this shit, it just. Come on, man. Why is this decompiling every single time I do it? Entity ID. Holy moly. Stop decompiling stuff that I. And ironically, Ida today is being really stupid for no reason. Why is this? Okay. So, PO pointer, PO, lock, I mean. Lock. And it's just decompiling. What is the problem with this function? Yeah, I get it, it's big, but come on. Doesn't need to be. Even just renaming things takes a jiffy. So, string X scene root. Holy. So it just decompiles it twice. Unsigned int. Those are scene flags. Scene flags. And what's the last one? Node list. So I'll just put it as a void pointer. It's a pointer. And or read. Okay, it just propagated up. And look at this. Just magically. What's ECX0? It's an int. Oh my. Oh, this is embarrassing. Why is this called ECX0? I have no clue. And I don't like it. It's G entity maker. That's a proper name. Okay. Cool. Looks really cool now. There's some weird stuff there. Okay. Let's reload this WDS stuff, right? Oh, those things look fine. So name. Apparently it's called A2. I don't like. Couldn't I just add enter? No. Add like. Oh my. Oh, what is happening? Ah, whatever. 21. A2. E22. Okay, that's cool. Okay, looks fine. Oh yeah, it returns an entity. Maybe it helps it a little. No, I just messed it up. Okay, oh, sweet. Mm-hmm. Is this construct? No, it's not construct. Doesn't look like these two. It's using... Oh, I'm using 4 more bytes of stack. That's unacceptable. But overall, do things look kosher or not? It's kind of acceptable now that I think about it. Slightly different code, right? Slightly. I have no idea where active flag. Okay, entity flags. Do 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 do. Got expected B. So this is the value, active flag, non-static flag. Okay, looks fine. Already checked time limited entities, right? Yeah, okay. So I did make my due diligence. But let's add these two to the list, right? Set time and okay. So these look sweet. Okay, this got a fast build. I'm happy. Okay, not matching. Gives us 4 more bytes of stack. Mm. Ooh, okay, there's a problem that I just realized. G entity maker, yes. Where did I G entity make? I don't see the definition. What the heck? destroy. Oh, right there in game CPP. Okay. No, but that's not the thing that I. So entity maker, h. Yeah, this guy to do. So I can have this get entity maker. So it can be g entity maker as it's here, or do entity maker pointer and just point it to the proper place, which is this guy over here. Bam. And I say it looks fine now. Import git diff. Create entity or subclass. Okay, I really need to do that one too. So g entity. This guy. It looks fine. But now I need to go to entity maker and put that function in the proper place, right? So this guy here. Yeah. So I realized that I can just do this, right? Fast call pointer func. Oh, this is a big one. So I'll need to do entity maker int entity ID PO const string x and sign int const region node list pointer equals this, and then I can just do return func. I'll need to pass all of these guys. So I'll pass ID, lock, scene root, scene flags, and force regions. Yeah, there's a big rebuild because of that header that I touched. Cannot convert const int. Yeah, you're right. To class PO. Yeah, you're right. Const. Yeah. I don't know if this will work. Hopefully. Come on. Can I make it crash again? It'll be funny. So I need an explicit cast. This is why. Okay, I can't make it crash again. So that's a problem. That's why I need to do a type def. Kind of embarrassing. Okay, now here. Pointer func. Pointer. Now it should work. Tadam! Magically. Now I can do git diff. Yeah, that. Let's just run the validation real quick. Toby. It passed. So time to do a commit. World dynamic system. Add time limited effect. So that's the add turret, G entity maker, and what's the argument? Turret pointer, okay. Why are... Good, 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 good. Ooh. So I believe I'm getting a bunch of errors now, which is kind of expected. I have vehicle, vehicle. That's cool. So no, let's do this, and we should be all good. I need to go to entity maker. Oh. And here I need to do type def void Pascal func pointer maker int entity. Let's go. Pointer func pointer. And return func b0e. Okay, this is good enough. But what I actually need is this guy. This guy. Yeah, right here. Panic. And it looks fine. 7. Void discount. What? Cannot convert. So turrets. Where do I have oh yeah, I don't have turrets. That's a problem. I need to add turrets. So turret. Yeah. So there's turret H. Oh, it's a conglomerate. That's interesting. Doesn't look too big though, because I guess most of the code is in a conglomerate. So turret.h, done. Let's also do turret CPP. So that's turret CPP. Bam. All good. And oh wow. So kind of funny, it stops including turret somehow. Okay, that's fine. So header files, I can include turret.h. Oh, so it just worked. That's cool. Save workspace, export, export makefile. That's cool. So back to WDS. So, turret, yeah, this guy. So yeah. Okie dokie. So Mr. Add turret right over here. Okay, this doesn't look too crazy. Yeah, just a jump. So I can mark it as matching. Okay, matching. Turret. Guarantee activate. So yeah, this needs guarantee. Add neolight. Okay, this add neolight. So okay, give me like a minute. Need to check something. Well, yeah, I'm back. Okay. I have this oddball neighbor getting evicted, hopefully soon. That's, I don't know. It's one of the situations that, you know, if it wasn't for Neolight, oh wow, it's not anywhere. Neolight. What the fuck is a Neolight? The fuck? Yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, it wasn't for stupid laws. The guy would have been kicked a long time ago. It's kind of hard in the place that I live to be kicked out from anywhere. Yeah. This guy managed to do the impossible. Just be a nuisance to everyone around him. Your light. Some of his most recent escapades was going into a what is it called? Like a hair salon, yeah, and threatened the employees because someone stole his bike, and he just barged into there and said, "I'm gonna kill the person that stole my bike." And yeah. Oh yeah, it doesn't know which one it's referring to. And the ironic part about this whole ordeal is that it's not it wasn't a barber shop. It was as I said, a hair salon. It was mostly women or older women, and they were like completely shocked by what was going on. So yeah, I guess that was the how do you call it? The tipping point. So yeah, this person that I mentioned tends to be a little silly. Thankfully, I've never had problems with them. It's quite a volatile person, from what I've heard. Neolite. Fuck. So, Neolite. Neolite.h. So, just do class public entity. I guess it's fine. I don't need anything else as far as I know. Neolite, that's fine. Neolite, okay, it looks fine. Yeah, okay, that's sweet. Yeah, but it's kind of surprising how this person managed to do the impossible. And funnily enough, you know, they have a public social media presence, which is kind of bizarre. And they had these really funny posts saying something really dumb. Like, move in silence because people want to steal your game plan. You know, some of those moralistic posts, typical from these dumbasses. And he's the most obnoxious person ever, just playing loud music the whole day. So I'm not really sure how those two things go hand in hand together. But yeah, kind of funny to see the difference. WDS, CPP. What's the name? Neolite. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So lens flare is right here. Yeah. Hmm. So add lens flare. Ah, okay, indeed. Is it 5? Create. Yeah, this is particle generator indeed. Maybe I should just go bananas on these guys. No. Yeah, I don't need these anymore. Okay, let's just rebuild this and try to do more at once. Oh shit! Oh snap! None of this will work. Let's just export for good measure, right? So add mic. So this should be add mic. Right here. Huh. Oh no. There's a lot of undefined ones. No, no one calls these guys. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It's all the same stuff. Okay. So let's see. This not defined. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So C. What is this C? Add beam. Oh, so this add mic stuff is used somewhere else. Okay. Add beam. Yeah, that's B. So this add beam. Okay. Uh, Untracked files. Ugh. So add marker should be this guy, right? But you're never too sure about that. So that's 2. So that's create entity. That's 2 indeed. Hmm. Oh, wow. Indeed. Remove light source. Let me just check something really quick. Alrighty. So this is remove light source over here, right? Mr. Remove light source. Ooh, okay. That's fine. Yeah. It's fine. Okay. This is almost matching, except for that very specific. It's very CC. So C8 and mine is at A8. Okay. Let's see, remove light source. Okay. So this is not good. So that reinterpret gas there should just be yoink. Let's just clean a little the source code, right? So find, erase, then remove. Okay. That's interesting. So the important part here. Oh, remove entity, it's just that. Okay, panic, return true. Def bool, fast call. Oral dynamic system int unsigned int, right? So then you do return func this 0i. Okay. Func pointer, func pointer. Let's go. So the function is this guy. And that looks fine. Oh, not fine. I don't know which remove function it's calling. Remove entity, right? Okay, it's the wrong one. Let's just do this, right? And this guy is here. Panic. Whatever. It looks fine. Let's just rebuild this. Remove light source. Good. Bam. Oh no, it's not matching. Oh my god. I'm unironically an idiot. So lights. Ugh, remove light source. Okay. Let's just go here to. Okay. So lights should be at C8. C8 is here. Lights should be at C8. And it's currently at A8, if I'm not mistaken. And I should have checked the offsets. Indeed. So lights. So I need to move it to after entities. So what is it? F4? No. I don't know. I'll put it here and see what happens. Big rebuild, big rebuild. I feel silly. It failed. C8 but got 90. Oh, oh. What about here, right? Our render data is so big that it... So many things get rebuilt because of this. Let's just run it. I got B4. So, let's put after render data. DC. What the heck? So render data, I guess it's... Right? So let's just omit it, right? I might have broken a lot of things, but that's fine. If not defined, build bootable. Oh, it just builds. Sweet. Now the offset will be wrong. But got B8. Okay, that's fine. So I just need to add padding and yeah. This is enough to make everything match now. I also need to add padding after, now that I'm thinking about it. But that's fine. Uh, 10C. Time limited entities. So where 10C? 10C minus F8, 14. E0, okay. Let's just do this. Nice. Okay. Uh-huh. So add light source. So let's check add light source, right? Right. Let's do G entity maker. It might help a little. What? Why? What? What's the difference? Why is it rebuilding everything? No. What the heck, man? Weird. Oh, I guess I accidentally saved again that file. Okay, get entity, add light source, right? This guy. Huh. Oh yeah, I forgot to add this in World Dynamic Systems at C8. C fucking 8. So vector lights. Right. What about this version? Add light source. So World Dynamic System. It's again at C8. That's cool. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, mm-hmm. Okay, this doesn't look super duper complicated, right? or it might be. So there's this scene animation, yeah. Let's get surface effect. Okay, let's keep it for now then. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Create preloaded. No. What's the name? Get sound. What? Get surf. Get surf. Oh, it doesn't seem to be used. What the hell? Again. Okay, this seems used and create preload. Oh. PO identity matrix. Okay. Huh. Oh, that's what I did. Okay, let's see how preload. So what? Reload the. Okay, this guy. I have no idea what's that memory budget stuff around it. Too many. What? What? Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah, my bad. G file finder. That's fine. There's no need for G file finder. So, weird. Again, this stupid thing. Nice. Mm-hmm. That's not good. Okay. That's better. Mm-hmm. Oh well. Okay, this is not fully done. Mm-hmm. What about this? This seems to be manually setting that thing. So it calls dirty family. Okay, let's just hell. This guy over here. Spec to upper whatever. 548 divided by 4. What? And yeah, entity CPP. Just go to this guy. Force region. Force region. Apparently it's called with null. Is even more confusing, right? So there's force region. So E force region null. 120 divided by 4 is 30. Set active. Set active false. Okay. Set active false. My relative position. And oh, that's a bone thing, right? Thank you. It's bone. So bone.h my rel. Okay. po.h. Hmm. So matrix 4 by 4. PC algebra. Okay, what about 28? What is 28? It's 7. PO changed. Sure. Am I going crazy? PO changed. So let's look for PO change, right? Okay, it works. Okay. So what I need to do is get rel position. Set position. Cool. So this should be enough. Does not take. Yes, it does. Vector 3D. Cannot convert this const class to class. Let's see how does this go. So this should be fine. I cannot convert set position. Cannot convert this pointer from const class PO to class. Maybe this will help. To class. Oh. Indeed, this is weird. Ah. Hmm. There's two update absolute positions. Ah. Ah, okay, okay. Hmm. right? So, so both of them exist apparently. That's interesting. Oh, okay. Okay. I can definitely take this guy. This guy, and it does nothing. That's basically it. So void. That's basically what happens, right? Maybe it's this, right? So my rel PO, yeah, okay. So set rel position, right? Okay, now this looks fine. And I don't need to call this explicitly. Oh yeah, but then it will fail, so I need Mr. Toe. Okay. Update. Update. This guy, right? Yeah, the other is like a no-op. So let's just do this. And poly. Great view of him. That was really nice to see. So F7. Cannot convert from to const class vector 3D. Maybe like this. And now it works. Okay. What's the name of the function that I'm taking a look at? I have no idea. I forgot. It's create preloaded. Yeah, preloaded. Dirty family. Huh. That's what I don't understand. Where does this dirty family stuff comes from, right? Toolmaker, whatever. Maybe. Oh, I lost the thing. Yeah, this guy. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, there's this bone dirty family thing. Toolmaker. What? A tool mark. 98. You see, dirty family stuff. I'd like to see more calls to it, right? Dirty family. There's that weird dirty family always there, right? I want to take a look at another moment where this happened. But I cannot tell what this is about. Okay, I can see lots of them here. Oh, now I cannot find one. Okay, looks fine. Where is this guy? Compass, spider arrow. Spider arrow. So, one of these. Definitely not this guy. Get arrow entity. No, okay. So it's the call entity widget override rotation. Okay. So update entity PO. Indeed, it calls dirty family again. So it does that and it calls dirty family, but I haven't seen. Oh, set relative position. Okay. Okay. Set rel po. Yeah, set rel po. This guy. Update absolute position true. So that's interesting. So set rel po and it has bone dirty family. Set of update AVS PO. Okay. Update AVS absolute PO. Update. Okay, update absolute PO. That's interesting. So let me take a look at this guy over here. What? Spider logo, cannot find it. No, render entity. Spider logo. Oh my god, so many references. Spider logo. Render spider logo, so many. Render. Okay, entity widget render. Oh wow. This is the weird part. Where does that dirty family stuff come from? Dirty family. So we know that in setrel PO, it does it. And where does it call it? Physical. Yeah, okay. So patch dirty family faults. Okay, let's do it this way. Seems more kosher. And I'll assume it's correct. I don't want to do the whole PO stuff, right? So WDS. So where is the guy? These are useless. Not this guy. This guy? This guy? Oh yeah, okay. So get loaded. Looks fine. No problemo. Okay. Bone Dirty Family, yes. Looks really good. There's some differences though that I need to take a look at. Mr. Disassembly here. So maybe I can start from the bottom. So to see, okay, that the stack is a little different, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, this the pair stuff doesn't really matter. About here, right? Oh yeah, let's take a look at the size. 15770. 158HC. Okay, there's definitely some tiny difference. Okay, this is incorrect. Not sure why this does it like that. Not a problem. I'll need to fix the offsets. Yeah, this looks sweet. Okay. Make unique ID. Not sure why it always shows like that. Okay, much better now. Yeah. You need to be careful with that entity maker. Fine. It looks good, not gonna lie. So there's some tiny differences, like here. So okay, so the big difference here is the end files, right? Yes, get end files. And okie dokie. So set rel position. Okay. Node can't find it, but it seems like this through usage. Okay, so I can just get that one h. What? Bone.h, git commit, bone. Let me get some other album. Just checking my messages. Where does set translate? Lock set translate. Okay, never mind. It looks cool, but the problem is end files, right? So go up here, and where should end files be located at? That's the question that everyone, the $1,000,000 164, and it seems to be located at 130. Okay, 64 is here. So I'll need to rebuild this. I have this annoying warning. Make instance. Let's just do this. Oh, I think it's in entity. Let's just fix that, right? What? Marker.h70. I have no return value. What the heck? Alright, it doesn't matter. So let's run the validation. 130? Wait. Yeah, it's 130. Okay. WDS and files. Okay. Patch moved around. So this guy like this. Don't think anything else should be broken with this. Dun, dun. But we got 160. Oh. So this guy goes there. Okay, it passes now. So when I go here, WDS, right? Reloaded. This guy? Yeah, this guy. Huh, interesting. So it does it generates slightly different codes. Not that I really care, right? So even then, right? It's using the stack slightly different, but it's not. Okay. So do okay, not matching. Same stack size, but variables in different place. Also, it references to get end file in a different way. Not sure why. It is instead of layer. Okay, no. The original. Okay, whatever. So okay, matching. So I have a couple things that I need to fix before I go, right? Remove. Hey yo! I'm so stupid. It's literally there. What? Wait, what? Now I remove from. No. Remove entity from world processing. Remove from terrain. Yeah. Hey yo, this is exactly what I needed. Why does it do it twice? Oh wait, it doesn't do it twice. So world dynamic system. Oh, I'm a dumbass. So I'm officially a dumbass. I just don't know how to read. So this is removed from terrain. Oh my. So all of these goofy things that I've done down here. So at least I got it correct. So this looks, yeah, removed from terrain. Fine. Force region. Fine. Central position. Fine. Okay, this looks fine. Okay. Matching. Like, oh no, 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 no. Where can I find this? Who calls it? So web splatter, right? Let's do it first before that stupid thing. Yeah, it's always in the same one. And last time, yeah, remove from world processing. It's this guy. And if you go here, remove from world processing. What we have here, it's the most beautiful function. This guy here. Okay, this is now fine. Okay, I'm so happy that I found out about it. This and remove entity from world processing. That looks fine. Patch, yeah. Just do that and do this. And the most important part is to add inline here. So it can be inlined. One error. Patch, push red poly. That's fine. Build. Nice. Let's just. So we do know about this guy. So remove entity. Dynamic system. Remove entity from world processing. That's fine. Need to be careful with remove from region now that I'm thinking about remove from region. No, remove from terrain. Oh, this is a cool one to do. So no check-in. Okay, that's fine. So at least what's the create preloaded? Yeah, so I'll need to reload this. So preloaded. Oh my lord. So I need to go to add turret, this guy, go up and around here. Yeah, around here. Great. Yeah, so inlines are really important to get that sweet matching assembly, right? And okay, now it's matching. Oh my. I feel so good about this. Okay, this guy. put function there. Create preloaded. No, entity or subclass. Yeah. Git diff. Git status. cd source. What's in bone cpp? Oh, I didn't add that. So source bone cpp. Right. Git add bone cpp wds. That's it. Git commit entity world and commit create preloaded. Sweet. Here we go. Nice. So what I want to take a look now is at this function over here. Where is it? Remove from terrain. Oh, okay. And so let's take a look at here. Remove from terrain. GWorld pointer, something. Okay, that's entity. Okay, so remove from regions. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to figure out the name, sadly. I can do type def. Let's call ptr entity. Wait, what am I missing? Oh yeah, forgot the closing parenthesis. Func ptr func. So return func this. Okay, now this looks fine. Not super duper happy, but that's it. Didn't I do add beam already? I think I did add beam. What? What? I did add beam? Bro. Status. Git log. How do I... What did I do here? Git show commit. How can I... Okay, good. Git show. Oh, it's a different add beam. Oh, what? Wait. Lol. Okay, actually, it's really good. It's a different one. So that's fine. So this fella over here should get the name. Create. Oh, what the fuck? This guy. Did I mess it up? Git diff. Git log. What? Oh, failing commit. I didn't notice the error. Okay, so this is way better than I expected. Okay, let me just close the window because alrighty-o. So let's do more stuff. This thing is very peculiar. What it is about, we don't know. Polytube? Maybe Polytube. But how can I tell if it's Polytube? It's through here. No, through here. It's basically acquire. Okay, oh. It says, okay, it's Polytube indeed. This guy is Polytube. Uh-huh. So add Polytube. Wait. G entity maker. Oh, I caught a bug. Me god. That would have been embarrassing. Add to entities. What is add to entities? Only. What? Oh. It just pushes back. Don't add the same entity twice. Add to entities. Okay. That's what I need to do. Polytube has the wrong size and the wrong constructor. So I don't think I'll be able to do this one, sadly. But at least I can make it the proper size. World Dynamic Systems. So add Polytube. What? Wait, maybe I'm being a dumbass, right? Add Polytube. Oh, lol. Okay, maybe I got. There's a add Polytube function that I skipped. Where is it? So it's between B. Okay, it's above mic. So particle generator. This is mic. This is camera, and this is Polytube. Okay, this is add Polytube. Okay. So Polytube. So add Polytube. Nice. Yeah, right here. It's exactly the same thing. And do Polytube pointer E. Okay, I need to include that. The difference is that entity ID const. There's this weird chunk file stuff Oh, my bad. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, let's just skip this guy. Doesn't add anything. Add beam. Update entities. Oh, it's quite big. Shit. Frame advance. Yeah, okay, these ones are too big for me to care about them right now. Oh, user cam frame advance. That's an interesting one. So there's the frame advance. There's some goofiness here. It isn't. No. I believe it's this guy. Scene analyzer. Okay. So this is WDS. This guy. And is the other one. So world dynamic system and user cam. And this is a float. Apparently. Okay. What's going on? So user cam frame. So what's going on there? Let's do that. Orient MCs, frame advance. Okay, let's just do a blind like this. User cam controller, frame advance. Move MCs. Is it always the same offset? Huh. So world dynamic system, so 1C5, okay, 1C5 plus 1E0. Okay, there's a couple ones like this. Oh, my bad. So 1C5. Uh-huh, 13. Beautiful. So it's always the same offset, which makes sense since it's calling the same thing. And B1. So 1C, 1D1. So 1D1. What? Okay, I'll just use the calculator. It's a calc short for calculator. Not that you'd know what it is. And yeah, most likely this guy. Yeah. So yeah. 2 before, 2 after. Frame advance. That's interesting. So where is frame advance declared? So frame advance. MCS. So it's an MCS. Whatever that is, right? Motion object, that's fine. There's a lot of silly things going on here. Okay, so let's do this. Not with scene analyzer, right? Five eight six beta. Should I just include this guy? Maybe. Not really that smart though. Yeah, let's just include it. Yeah. Maybe not. Let's just define it here. Forward cosec theta pi MCS might help. I don't want to make headers more dependent on other headers. Was this enough to make it work? So motion control system. So MCS CPP. So I can do include MCS.h. Include my assertions.h. I got them the other way around. Okay, this is fine. So I just do validate vtable motion control system frame advance at C. No, C, it's 12 divided by 4, it's 3. Okay, that would have been embarrassing. DLL main. So validate MCS, fine. And patch MCS. This is not enough because I need to go to my assertions. My validations, I mean. And this is also not enough as I need to go to MCS again and declare these friend functions. And done. Okay, let's check let's do the validation. Long dict style. I cannot find it. They are not, is MCS not in the source files? As if it's not. Yeah, it's not. Oh, wow. First time that I've seen it. F7, there's nothing too special about it. Let's run the validation, right? I definitely messed up. Yeah, these guys. Okay, whatever. So apparently the order should be user cam controller. So 1cc. So these are the valid offsets. This is what I need to follow. Where are you? Scooby-Doo. So WDS CPP and just go here to 1cc. Where's 1cc? Right here. Validate world dynamic system. User cam controller. Orient MC. So when D0 and what's the other? C8, C4. Hey, yo, this goes back and forth a couple of times. Yeah, okay, but this is exactly how it looks like. So let's just run the validation again. So, marquee cam. Oh, wow. They seem to be in the correct spots, though. The problem seems to be from marquee cam, right? Marquee cam. Not this guy. Not this guy. This guy. So, it got one F8, so it got 10-4. So maybe I can just do this, right? So this will remove 8 bytes. And with this, I'll have the 16 there. Active entities. No. Patch for now. Oh, that's in the correct offset. I'm kind of surprised. 8 errors. That's 3145. 3145. Oh yeah, indeed. So let's just go here and oh no. Panic. Cool. Oh, it passed. Sweet. So let's just go here, right? Huh. This is weird. What's the name of the phone? It's different offsets in the user cam frame advance. Oh wow. It does seem to work. That's crazy. Okay. No, this. Yeah, indeed this. So this looks like to be matching, but just to be sure, let's add here a diff checker. Go away, go away, go away. This guy and indeed this is matching. Huh. So user cam. Oh, okay, that's entity. Wait. See. So the first one, this is at C. Okay. Maybe I can go to MCs. Data. User cam control. User. But what the? Wait, there's. Oh. Oh wait. I just realized this is this way. Holy crap. I mean, holy moly. Uh-huh. And it finishes at user cam. Okay, let's just okay, let's just give names to these guys. So CC, right? User cam controller. D0 user cam. C8 user cam move MCs. User cam orient MCs. Okay, this looks acceptable. I need to do the same thing for this guy over here. So user cam orient MCs, user cam move MCs, user cam controller, and user cam. Nice. Controller, user cam, move MCs. So user cam controller, what the hell is that? It's a controller. Okay. I need to find that guy, controller. Where is class controller defined? I do have a message on this guy. Okay. WDS control. Wait, but that's what I did. Controller CPU. Oh, I couldn't find it though. Controller, not H class control. Okay. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay. NMC, CPP, so I can just copy this. And here, controller, let it be table controller. Let's just put it this way, just to force it to fail. Controller, and controller H. Validate. DLL main. Validations. Validate controller. Nice. Hopefully this fails. Okay. So let's run the validation. It should fail. Frame advance, exactly. Why did I do that? I just changed this file, git diff. So world dynamic system. So this thing actually done. Okay. Did I add the name to the function? I don't think I did. Let's go. Wait. User cam frame advance. Oh no. Oh, I did it. So all good. Oh, I should probably stop streaming. Oh yeah. I was so distracted. Let's see if I can do one more. Then I'll be on my way. This guy looks... it's G-game pointer, sadly. Check PO. Okay, kind of, this looks... The problem is that this... Oh, yeah, but I don't have this constructor. Yeah, calling... Okay, this looks like a fun one. Could it be? Could it be add box trigger? It should be at 12. What? Is this stupid? Why is this going to the top? Oh my... I really hate when these things happen. So I'm going here. Here. Why? Why is this going to that random place? I don't know. Case 18, right? Why? What the heck? Yeah, yeah, it's 18. So let's just do this. Add box trigger. This guy. Alrighty-o. So this looks fine. Add sky. I didn't see add sky, to be honest. Add sky. Indeed. Okay. Where the fuck is box trigger? This guy. Okay. Matching. Then you just do get entity make. Perfect. So add box trigger. This guy. No. Okay. Huh. That also looks interesting. Box trigger. Okay, add box trigger, done. Git diff. Oh, hey, yo, no. That would have been embarrassing. Git commit. I should have added the type box trigger entity pointer. Okay, that's the proper way. So it looks fine. Let's just add a... Okay, this also looks fine. So it's time to test. Copy. Oh. Copy. Okay, time to run the thing with the X window, of course. Streaming for longer than I expected. It's already running. Okay. Uh-oh. Gets red context. No, it crashes on startup. That's so unexpected. I think I know why it's crashing. I think I forgot to export something. It's quite a common thing for me. But thank God I have that validation, so not a big deal. So waiting for X32 debug to start. I don't know why it takes so long. Kind of silly. Restart as admin. Let's go. And it's just terminated. So process stop to it 69. Add box trigger. Oh, it's literally the last one. Add box trigger. Yeah. This one. Export. Alrighty-o. I can merge it into the previous PR. And the previous commit doesn't need to be a separate one. Kind of silly, to be honest. Okay, and so let's run it since this is started. Okay. Oh, I got a first chance exception. That's cool. That's cool. I'm not mad or anything. I'm just super annoyed. How did I manage to get an exception, right? Okay, so git log. Wait, first of all, git commit. Let's just merge this. Editor, git rebase I. Untracked files. Oh. I forgot to do the thing. Doesn't matter. So now I need to do the same thing. Kind of stupid on my end. Okay, so two. I can do git diff initial commit add. So batch. So it starts with add time limited effect. Okay, let's do that one. So add time limited effect. Okay, it's all of these guys here. That what happened, man? Why did it went to the top? I don't know. Sometimes it is weird. So it should be a small rebuild. Why is it rebuilding everything? Oh, it's because of the rebase. Kind of. I don't know. Maybe I don't know exactly how the rebase works, but that's fine. So let's try not to get a crash this time. Because there's only one more thing that I changed, which is the bone stuff. Took a while longer than expected. Okay, fine. And close this. So time to add half of them. Like here. This looks fine, right? No more, no less. So it should crash on startup, so I really like when it crashes on start. Yeah, okay, it just crashed. No, stop. So just to be sure, we know that the water line is at this guy at the bottom. So this last 4-1. So really good on my end for messing those ones up. Okay. So It's one of these two. Okay. So I found out it's one of these two. But at the same time, did I really mess this one up? Let's put the terminal here. It's fine. Copy. This guy. Shouldn't crash now. It didn't crash. That's fine. So, indeed. So it's one of these two. So which one is it? Oh, I think I know which one is it. I think it's this one. So let's just uncomment these two. This shouldn't crash, because I said so. So the problem is create, preload, and why does this fail when it's patched? Remove. Could it be from here? Oops. Could it be from this, right? So we know it's that guy. So I'll leave the other patches inside, because they are cool. Oh. Fuck off. Okay. No, no. Stop. So no check-in. I'm here. Can this bullshit stop? Bro, for fuck's sake. Okay. No check-in, I'm here. Oh, entity. Terrain. This looks fine. Okay, this looks like one of the best ways to debug. Hey, yo, how did that go to? Okay, there's some very weird stuff. Please, game, get the fuck out of the way of the terminal, please. I beg you. Skipping. What? Just start. Oh, I need to put no check-in position. What? Hey, yo. So it succeeds. Huh. For some reason. Oh wait, create preloaded. And it's always a joy to debug these things. I guess that I forgot to... Where the fuck is... Okay, I need to press here. No checking. What the fuck? Okay, that's cool to see. So it only does what the fuck. Oh, I guess it's the set translates. Oh my. I guess it's the set translate stuff. Fuck. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, stop that. Okay, that's why it works. So it dies on spec. Excuse you? This is very weird, I gotta be honest. So let's just open Toby. Yes, load the symbols. Go ahead, read the symbols. Preload. This is one of the things that took me. Okay. Come on, man. Preloaded. What am I going? This guy. Okay. It looks fine. To upper, yeah. Let me check. What's the problem, though? What's your problem, man? M node. Oh god, this is so cool. And ironically, that's so cool. Okay. Eyes on the prize. Uh, uh, uh. I'm not joking when I say that I'm confused about these things. Why is it crashing? Can you... Oh. So... PO. So it reaches PO. Now it's reaching PO. Oh. No checking PO. No checking PO. Okay, let's try it again. This is how real men do debugging. I did not expect this for it to be such a long stream, but yeah. Hi. Can can you can my mouse stop being stupid? Okay. Lock. So entity maker. Right. Let's just check this one out. Yeah. Uh, so it finishes at high. Huh. What's the problem? Okay. This guy. What the fuck is the problem here? Uh-huh. 18, yeah. Can't be that. Mm-hmm. Hey, yo, I have here the V-tables now. I can probably move the V-tables from this. Okay. But why is this happening though? Mm-hmm. Hey, what? Entity maker and oh. No. Am I stupid? I guess that's the create entity. Okay, this seems fine. Ah, right here. Def entity return. Hmm. Indeed. Why is this crazy? What the heck? Okay. Just adding more prints because it's never enough. Huh. I don't want to finish this before understand what's going on. Or the fuck? Okay, this guy. So actually tries to call it. There's a problem here though. Could it be that this is incorrect? 60. Okay, where is it? Uh, okay, that's the problem. What the fuck? Call this. And okay, that's fine. That's fine. Call this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Entity ID. What? This looks fine. Why is it re-pushing stuff? Hmm. Okay, let's just bombardillo crocodile. Oh, silly me. So this guy. Let's go. Oh, thank you so much for hiding the console. So it does try to call it. But then it fails for some reason. What the heck? So we reached this. From that function, that's fine. That's fine. What the Did I mess up the stack somehow? So, okay. Entity name. Oh, I did. Oh no. I did. Oh no, I just realized what I did. I'm such a silly boyo. Okay. Oh no. Thanks. I just want to go to the end. Okay. Yeah, I was not passing the entity name. Okay. It looks fine. So what I need here is entity name. Oh my god, this is such a simple fix. No return value. What? Oh, my bad. Yeah, I was about to mess it up again. Now it should work, no problems. Copy. Let's just go to that address that I had. What? Okay. What? Okay. No. Go. Now it should work. It just died. Same name appears twice. Anti. What? Angel error. Okay. So let's just take a look at the differences, right? Hit that. Now that. Git restores PyD TM source WDSCPP. So there's name, ID, log, sin root, sin flags, source region. Kind of surprising that it just failed like that. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arguments. 6 arguments, okay. It should be fine. Why did it die? I don't know. So I have a different problem now. And it just died. Same entity, name appears twice. That's weird. That's very weird. But maybe it's not related to this. Or is it? I don't know. User cam free. This guy. So let's just go here, copy. Most likely has nothing to do with it. Oh, it works. No, I don't believe this. I'm getting owned. Getting owned. But how? Uh-huh. Is this function curse the entity ID make ID? Right? Okay, maybe make I oh yeah. Make unique ID. Oh, maybe yes, indeed. Oh, that's the problem. So the base it's fine. Problem is that IDX. So okay, I found the problem. Make unique ID. This guy. Oh no. Okay. The problem is that this is used in other places, right? So make unique ID, copy instance, right? That's, just in line. Okay. So define get unique this, and then just do reinterpret cast int pointer. Okay, let's do it that way. Will this even work, right? Let's just try this, right? Toby, yeah, let's just load Toby. Oh my god, I was caught by this make unique ID stuff. Make unique ID. This guy. Right, make unique ID. There it is. And yeah, so now can go to make. If it's not patched, okay. I should be very careful. Okay. Now it should work. WDS. I guess it's the first one that calls make unique ID and makes it crash. It's kind of cool. So here we go. And let's go. Now it shouldn't fail. Please don't fail. Oh my god. It's working. I wanted to finish the stream like 30 minutes ago. But yeah, this is super interesting. Like that I managed to crash the game in such spectacular places. It looks fine. Okay, it's very cool to see. Exit, beautiful. Okay, so git diff get unique ID, yeah. Okay, this is git commit am fix entity ID make unique ID was using wrong global and entity maker create entity or subclass was missing the first argument. Alrighty, git push. So yeah, validation succeeded. So let's just close this. Let's close this guy. Bye. I really like Toby. So what is this about? Oh yeah, now it's this guy. Now yeah, let's run the validation. It passes as expected. And now let's run the backup. Okay, I was just replying to something. 14 commits, yes. And I thought I had done more, not gonna lie. But it's also really good. Let's take a look here. And it took 57 seconds. Yeah, this is interesting. 30 family, indeed. I was not expecting this to be as is. Okay, validate with table. Yeah, this caught me off guard. Remove from terrain. Yeah. Okay. Item Cs. Most of the functions today were, I gotta be honest, they were really basic. Oh, right here. Yeah, this one was very simple. This was interesting. Yeah, this one's, I basically had to do nothing. This one was also very simple. Yep, remove entity. Yeah, to delete the code from this one, sadly. And yeah, more validation. Ooh. Okay, these are the files that I added, MCS, turret, console. Yeah. Okay. Okay, thanks everyone that came to the stream. But before you go, you should all go to my amazing blog if you want to learn more about what I'm doing. And yeah, that's it. Have a nice one. Bye.